Hello. So last video I showed you how to trace your later and the box on your fabric. So now it's going to be the time to sew. So before we can sew, we need to prepare our needle. So we thread our needle, as we say. You will be given one very large needle. I said that the eye here is quite big, so there's no one panicking about I can't do it, okay? So when you do so, make sure you unfold quite a long thread because we will be doubling this thread. So do not hold your fabric, your thread very far from your fingers. You need to make sure it's at the tip of your finger, this way like that, to make it really easy to control and to place it in. So then you are going to double the thread. So now I'm pulling my thread this way. You can understand what it means by doubling the thread. You have two threads, okay? And now, only now, not before, you can cut your thread, okay? So how much you need, I always say arm length. Obviously, it doesn't have to be extremely precise, but you know it's approximately the size of your arm, okay? So that's fairly easy. Now the trick is to do a very strong double knot here. As your needle eye is quite big, you're going to do a very, very big one. So you may have your technique, you can use your technique. My technique is to hold the thread in my thumb and press my two fingers on it this way, okay? And then I'm going to wrap twice the thread around my two fingers. I'm going to get my needle, I'm going to place the needle between the two fingers here, I'm going to pull. And then I'm going to release the thread. This is not a knot yet, it's just a shape. So, first mistake people do, they pull, sorry. You do not pull the thread there, you're going to touch all the threads where they all meet up here, and then you pull, okay? And when you finish that, you have an enormous, but very, very strong double knot, okay? So I know it's going to take you a bit of time, so I'm going to do it twice. So remember, you wrap twice around your finger the thread, you place your needle bottom going to the top, you release, okay, you've got a shape, you don't have a knot yet, and you press where they all meet up, and you've got a very, now it's 4 knot, okay? So this is how you do it. And you will be ready for the next video.